Welcome back to Beauty by the Numbers. Now, some women turn to surgery when they want to turn back the clock, and our next doctor is one of the most renowned facial surgeons in the country. Beverly Hills plastic surgeon Dr. Nguyen believes less is more in the battle against aging.
I don't like to change a person's look. I'm not about being extreme or over the top.
Specializing in facial surgery for more than 10 years, Dr. Nguyen's conservative, artistic approach has patients waiting up to 4 months for an appointment.
You may be perfect technically, but if you don't have an eye for this, then you'll never get it right.
Getting it right starts with a board-certified surgeon. 3 more things you need to look for:
the education of the plastic surgeon, superior training, you can't even question that. The second thing is just to look and see how busy the plastic surgeon is. If it's a busy waiting room and there are a lot of patients there, that's a good sign. The third thing, get the referrals, asked to look at their before and after pictures.
5 years ago, I started feeling like when I looked in the mirror or I saw a snapshot of myself, that it didn't reflect the way I thought I looked. I looked tired or in a bad mood or angry.
Carrie is a patient of mine who is 54 years old.
The parts that really bother me are my neck and my eyes. I feel like that when I smile even, they tend to squint. What
we're gonna be doing with Carrie, I'm gonna be performing a facelift, a neck lift, a brow lift, an upper eye lift, and a lower eye lift.
The thing that bothers me the most is probably my neck and under my chin and maybe my jowls right here.
Jenny is 61 years old. She works at a medical office.
I have a very active life. I ride my horse. My husband and I like to travel. We enjoy spending time with our kids.
What we're gonna do is perform a facelift, a neck lift, and also a lower eye lift. I pinched that skin up. You see how softer under here looks?
Dr. Nguyen scheduling both surgeries the same week, Carrie going first.
The surgery went extremely smoothly, not a glitch at all, and she's gonna look amazing, so very excited.
The next day, a similar 6-hour procedure on Ginny.
Yeah, started with a beautiful lady and brought everything back in place, so she's just gonna be an amazingly beautiful lady afterwards.
So Dr. Nguyen, what makes your facelift and neck lift techniques so advanced?
I'm not about being extreme or over the top. You could get trained and educated at the best places to get the best techniques, but you can never be taught to be an artist. The way that I approach a face, it's like a sculpture to me. So each face is so unique, and so when I lift the face back up, due to the aging process, I like to bring balance back to a person, and so that their face looks rested and more refreshed. And,
we who live in LA say thank you.
I like that you're keeping it natural. Well, we followed Ginny through her recovery, so take a look at her unbelievable healing process.
Wow.
That is a process.
How long did that take?
Oh, wow.
It's a process. It's a 2-week process.
That's only 2 weeks?
Yeah.
Come on out, Ginny.
Look, that recovery looked really dramatic, but how do you feel now?
I feel great. I feel really good.
You look at her, she looks like an attractive woman. She's got a beautiful neckline and a beautiful jawline, but she doesn't look done. Yeah. You know, like, and that's what women want most of the time. They just want to look good for their age without looking like they're trying to look 20 years younger.
Well, Ginny, you look great.
Thank you.
You are ready for your close-up, weren't you?
Next up is Carrie. This is what she looked like before. And let's see her now.
Harry, you look so happy. How do you feel?
Oh gosh, I feel like I have me back again.
Well, I think we all want to say thank you to Dr. Nguyen. You do amazing work. I love that you're an artist. That's what we all should be looking for. We need to get that little nip and tuck.
Well, now, the fountain of youth inside your kitchen. Get ready to be gorgeous and prevent disease.